Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create and host an API using SvelteKit and Vercel. For the first thing you need to do is just create a SvelteKit project. As you can see, I already created one with all of the necessary components and everything. But you could always copy the GitHub, or you can just make your own SvelteKit project with your own functionality and with your own stuff. This is mainly just showing you how to host rather than actually just showing you how to create. But this project, I'll show you really quick, is just a really example project, like bare bones, like it has an API, a form, and like a homepage. So just to show you how all of these basic stuff work in the real world, like hosting and everything. So you can see that there's a home, form, and API. You can go to the form, generate a random number, and it's all server side. And you could go to the API, it has some JSON data, and you could always traverse through this JSON data using the URL. And really, yeah, that's really the whole application. You could always copy it down below in the link below in the description. I'll link any of the content that I show in the description. So let's get on with hosting. Right when you have this project done, you have it set up, you initialize the project, you install all the dependencies, and you've run it on the dev command, and it's actually performing good. Once you do that, now we can get into hosting. So once you're done with hosting, you obviously publish your repository to GitHub. So to upload your project to GitHub, you have to first of all go to this page right here. You have to go to docs.github.com, and I'll link this um I'll link this article below so you can see how to upload one of your repositories to GitHub. But once you've uploaded it to GitHub and you've done all the steps, including the README and getting your first login, then you go to Vercel, you log in using your GitHub account. So this is how it would look like. So let's just log out really quickly, and you would just continue with GitHub. And once you continue with GitHub, it'll tell you to authorize and everything. But since I've already created an account, it'll just do it automatically. So the first thing you want to do, like after you finish logging in, is getting permission to Vercel to access your specific repository. So you go here, you add new project, and then you go to import git repository. You see how it's linked to my GitHub, right? But you see how I don't have all of my GitHub projects inside of this Vercel. To give Vercel permission for your SvelteKit for your repository, if you haven't already done it, you just go to adjust GitHub and you go to your account. You just validate that it's you. I'm gonna just use the GitHub mobile app. Once you validated everything, you go over here, down here to repository access. Go either all repositories to let Vercel have access to all your repositories, or select the repository that you have, specifically the one that you created. And once you're done, you can just exit and then go next to the project that you have and click import. Once you click import, you just select the project name, the framework preset, but usually Vercel is good with the framework preset, and it can detect it automatically. And all you need to do is just press deploy. But since I already have a live version up, we're gonna see the online version. So let's see the online version like this. And once you create it, it should look something like this. You could click on this image and see how this works, and it should work exactly the same as it did in your local machine. So that's really it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope this video served you some value. Let me know any feedback, any comments down below. I'll take any feedback whatsoever. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.